have asked you this before, but many moons have passed since you gave your answer. Our lives have changed, and we've done many things together. When you're around, you give me butterflies. You make my mind race with thoughts and curiosities. And if you say no, I'll never bother you with this again. But I just got to know one simple thing. Will you go out with me?